In this video, I'm going to show how to export surfaces to a LandXML file. Your existing surface needs to be exported to LandXML file and submitted with the project, and will be made available as a reference only for the contractor. If you happen to make any proposed services, those should be exported to LandXML as well. Now, to export a surface, it is pretty easy in ORD. So what you're going to do is go to Open Roads Modeling Workflow. Under the Terrain tab, under the Miscellaneous section, there's Export to File. Okay, that's going to open up this dialog where you can select the terrain from a drop-down or surface, and then you can also select graphically. So I only have one terrain, that's just my existing terrain there. So I'll select that. You want the export format to be LandXML. And then you have some further things you can define in here, like the project name and description, which we don't have a set standard for what should go in here. We're not really using it, but you can put in maybe the PID number or the project number or project name. Maybe do DAR 185, whatever section it was, whatever you're titling your project as. And then export options you can leave as export both. So now you're just going to click through the prompts here. So I'm going to data point to accept the type, export type is LandXML. And then you can data point to accept your project name and project description. And then you want to export both. And then you will see a save as dialog. I'm just going to save it to my desktop for this demo, but you'd save it with your project. And this would be the name of the XML file. Maybe you want to add in something to say that it's existing. And maybe you put existing surface. Again, just something to say what it is, and you can hit save. And then you can repeat that process for each of your surfaces. So you do want each surface in its own file, as well as you want to make sure that your surface has a name defined on it. So if I click on this surface and I look at the properties of it, I can see right there the name DAR 185 survey. If I look down at the feature name, there it is as well. So since this is referenced in, I can't change it. I'd have to go to that file. But that name is what's going to come through in the LandXML file. So I flipped over to the survey or the LandXML file here, and I just wanted to show that project name and description do come in right here. But more importantly, this surface and its name is coming in here. So you don't have to worry about the contents of the LandXML file. I just wanted to show you. So when the contractors are pulling in this data, they're going to see, this is the name of that surface.